1 hour and 5 minute less. Can't even speak. It's been a long 24 hours. Hello and welcome back to our channel.
Today's video is all about Gish.
Or more specifically, the Gish 24-hour stay-at-home challenge.
If you want to know more about Gish, you can go to gish.com or you can go to their Facebook page or the Twitter page, and there's all kinds of links to all kinds of crazy stuff that went on this weekend. Or you can just stay here and keep watching our video and we'll show you our craziness this weekend.
Yeah, whole lot of fun this weekend.
And you can go to gish.com afterwards because, as according to the email this morning, I think they're going to do another one in a few weeks.
So if you think this looks like fun, check it out. Been a little over an hour since we got the Gish list, and now we're trying to figure out who's doing what. My sister's grabbed a few with Lily. They got, I think, the youngest kid. A couple of them need young kids. Connor's grabbed a couple. I think I've grabbed one, the nap. Nancy's taking control of this team. She's assigning stuff.
Trying to, anyways.
She's got a list made. It looks professional.
Well, if you ignore the parts where apparently my eyes must have crossed or something, I don't know. Okay, so we don't have a whole list assigned because obviously I don't think we'll do the whole thing, but we have a good chunk of stuff figured out so far. Oh, someone's calling me. Ha, it's Andy. Hello.
I made the world's worst potato couch, and Nancy's trying to make it better by making a person for it.
Do we have anything we could make a little bowl with? Like a lid or something? Or, ooh, a nut. Bowl? A nut. A nut will do it. Where do we have? Oh no, one of your things here. One of your. You have a. Oh, you got a deep short one, don't you?
I don't know what you guys doing, but.
Okay.
I'm making a man over here using my drill press. It's not going as well as I'd like it to, but it's coming along. Nancy's writing a haiku. I'd much rather be making a man out of a drill press than writing a haiku. And Connor's working on some album art.
I think I might rather be making a man out of a drill press too.
I hate writing haikus. It seems like it should be so easy, but it's not. It's 4 in the morning. I've been working on the Photoshop of me and Elon standing on Mars since probably pretty close to 1. Can't believe how long that took me. I've never used Photoshop before, but it's kind of fun. Good crash course in it. And there's Connor. He's been cutting out letters all night. Nancy's been sleeping since like 1. I'm sure she'll be up any minute now, though. It's 4:30, and guess what? Nancy's up. I knew she wouldn't be awake. I knew she wouldn't be asleep for long. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, and I'm not even.
That's alright. I don't know. It's alright. I'm talking to people in the Gish bunker and trying to remind people that it's really okay if you're by yourself. If you don't have anyone to play with, it's okay. You're on a team. You're on a team for a reason. Your teammates are there to make you have a good time. Tell your teammates if you have trouble.
I'm having a good time. Connor just laid down for a 2-hour nap. I'm supposed to get him up at 6:30. His alarm's going off at 6:30. And I think that's when I'm going to take my nap. I think I'm going to get my 30 points out of my nap, too. I'm going to make it the most worthwhile 2-hour nap I'm going to get in this 24 hours of Gish. Connor laid down at 4:30 in the morning, and now it's 6:30 in the morning. Good morning, bud. How was your 2-hour nap?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Next question is, what is it like living through, like, World War II and, like, a war compared to living through the pandemic now?
It was tough, honey. Grandma lived on the farm, and we were very, very poor, and we didn't have much, but it was tough, and that's when Grandma got married the first time during World War II.
Connor's figuring out what's left on the list. Nancy's got all the letters cut out for our sign on the outside.
Yeah, I found a handy use for those magnets.
Wonderful.
Better than a paperclip. Okay, what was...
And I get to re-edit a video because I forgot to put a picture in it.
So we're moving the bus so we can point it at the road a little bit better for one of our Gish items. But also, honestly, it might be kind of nice to have the different view here. Yeah, don't fall out that window, please. Don't stand by that window, please, since it's open. No falling out the window while we move. Let's try to not back down the hill, okay? I got plenty of sense of adventure. This is actually probably the best place to get stuck, but where I really would rather not get stuck.
Yeah, I don't want to hit that telephone pole that's just off to the right either.
No.
It's probably as far back as
That is probably as far back as you need to go, yep.
What do you think of that angle? Or should I get the back end even out that way further yet? Yeah, I'm not quite 90 with that road. I'm going to go back and try this again.
Okay. Oh, this is better.
Yeah.
This is a little bit more of an angle, for sure.
We have 2 hours to go and I have at least 3 videos to edit, and Nancy's cleaning some windows to put up a sign. They look pretty.
Yeah, it's not the best window job I've done, but considering they haven't been washed since we got it, they look spectacular.
And we have less than 2 hours left to Gish.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just over an hour and a half of Gish left. I got my laptop outside because it's way nicer outside. I get to watch my wife finish up this her Gish project, which I think my name is on. She just stole it from me. Not that I would have got it done. Connor's doing the last minute double check of what's on the board and what's handed in at Gish. Check mark means it's done.
I thought we'd get a couple more, like 22 done.
Yeah, I wanted to get 22
Maybe 11.
done. I wanted to get
34. 35 would have been a fun one.
35 and 22 were the 2 I wanted to get done. Oh well. 1 hour and 5 minutes left. I can't even speak. It's been a long 24 hours or 23 hours at this point. 1 hour and 5 minutes left. There's art supplies everywhere in the bus. It's been a blast. We got words on the outside of the bus.
I don't think we're gonna do that one.
Connor's outside. I can't quite see him from here. He's outside doing his last thing right now. My sister's making a castle right now. Last minute push.
You did that one. Connor, you should count out loud.
Okay.
How fast are we counting here?
Seconds.
Oh, let's just use a...
There's a timer in the camera. We'll know.
Oh, okay. Duh, you're right. Okay. Go ahead. You've passed 20 now. Awesome.
I did it. Let's get it downloaded.
Right now?
Yeah, we don't have time. It's 1:30.
Sorry. I don't
Channel your best Scott McCall.
know.
Or how about Derek Hale? Channel your best Derek Hale.
Oh wait, yeah, that's Derek. I forgot who he was.
You're not hiding behind a tree, so give me your best Derek howl.
No, I'm just doing it. Oh wait, this camera isn't gonna go in the vlog. Oh, so the camera. Okay. I can't. No.
Turn around and howl at me as you turn around back to me. That way you compose yourself without looking at me and howl at me as you turn.
No. Wait, can you stop this? Ow! I get second like, oh.
Like you're yelling. Do it like you're gonna yell at somebody.
Ow! No! That just.
Ow!
Ow!
Try it again.
I. Oh! Ow! Alright.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Combined, we're somewhere between about 5 and 6 hours of sleep over the past day and a half, but whatever. It's a couple minutes, only a couple minutes of this Gish thing left, and then I think we're done. We just downloaded the last thing we could download. I don't think we have time to do anything else.
Then it's nap time.
Yep, congratulations everyone.
Thanks.
Welcome.
You've passed 20 now. Awesome.
I did it. Let's get it downloaded.
Alright.
What do you want to ask Grandma?
Okay, so the first question, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Okay. So next one, what's your favorite ice cream flavor?
See, I gotta think on that one.
Yeah, there's a lot to choose from.
I guess chocolate chip.
Okay. The next one, what's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport?
Mm-hmm.
Football and baseball. I say baseball first.
Okay. Yeah, whenever we go over to your like house rooms, you always used to have, or you always have like baseball on your TV. Okay. What job did you have as a teenager?
Oh, a waitress, and then I was an inspector for a lithography company.
What's that?
Well, we made parts. We made parts during the war for the Navy.
Okay. Next question is, what is it like living through like World War II and like a war compared to living through the pandemic now?
It was tough, honey. Grandma lived on the farm, and we were very, very poor, and we didn't have much, but it was tough. And that's when Grandma got married the first time during World War II.
And,
What, honey?
how's it like living in a retirement home?
Well, I like it where I live in my apartment, but I sure don't like it when I come here. But I like it, and they're nice people. Well, you've been there. It's nice people, and I like living there.
Okay.
I wish I could live in my own house, but as you get older, you can't do that.
Gotta have people around to help.
Yeah. I'm done with my questions. Thank you.
Well, nice talking to you, Connor. Bye-bye.
too.
We'll call you again, Grandma. Feel better.
Yeah.
Put cheese, carrots, and eggs in the bowl. Add chili powder, add forgo, Cajun seasoning, add salt to taste. Mix with forks or fork.
All right, time to eat it.
Good?
All right.
I can't do it. It's weird.
Ow.
Wonderful. You got a good barber.
Of course I do.
It's been about an hour since the Gish list came out. Okay, cool. Color Supreme.
Squirrel.
It's been about, it was a loud ass squirrel though. I had to stop anyway.